Look at how nice it is outside. Blue sky. It's unbelievable. I always like going for a walk in my neighborhood. The reason why I wanted to create this video though was to let you know about a couple of books. As you know, I always like to talk about books. I'm trying to find the best angle here for this camera. I have a videographer with me and he's doing his best to try and shoot this video, so if you could be patient with him. The guy is actually not too bad. He's so quick. He can actually do 360. It's actually unbelievable how fast this guy is. Anyways, point is, two books that you should read. One, if you are wanting to learn how to build a website from scratch, which is what I did. That's The Conversion Code by Chris Smith. Read that book. The second book is $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. This guy is a beast. So if you don't have a product or a service right now and you're wondering, man, I just need a place to start, I'm not sure what to do, where to go, all this kind of stuff, start with those two books. I'm telling you, they're mind altering. $100 Million Offers, fantastic. If you go to acquisition.com, he's got a bunch of free training there. You're probably wondering, why am I sending people over there? Well, it's a great book. I wish I found out about that book earlier. It's amazing. But if you need a hand in getting your website built, then go visit my website, doublemyincomesociety.com. It's how I built it, again, based around the idea of the conversion code. If you don't have a website right now, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. I say that because you need a way to be able to capture people's name, email address, and you have to have a way of following up. So if you don't know how to do that, go to my website. If you like reading books, read The Conversion Code by Chris Smith. Check out his stuff on curator.com. And then also $100 Million Offers. I can't say enough about this stuff. Like these two books, like these are revolutionary. These two books alone. Again, I mentioned before, if I can trade my library in, I know before I mentioned one book, but really it's two books. One book teaches you how to build a website from scratch. The other book teaches you how to create an irresistible offer. So if you need a hand with any of that stuff, visit my website. If you want free tips, strategies, all that kind of stuff, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'm going for a walk. See you later.